Hello and welcome to this edition of Iron Sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. In this edition, we're on the courts with the high-ranking Sunshine Girls. We also continue our build-up to the Reggae Girls' historic debut at the FIFA World Cup. In addition, we'll also be having a World Cup flashback feature. As usual, let us know what you think by heading to our Facebook page, Iron Sports JA. Stick around, but when we come back, it is the year of the Jamaican women, so we're going to be checking in with them. Soon come.